Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat stories are not loading. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now if your Snapchat story is not loading, the first thing you should check your internet connection, and after that try viewing your Snapchat stories. And even after doing that, if your stories doesn't get loaded into your phone, the first thing you should do is to close your Snapchat application completely and remove it from the recents. And now, after removing it from the recents, try opening the Snapchat applications again into your phone, and after opening the application, go to the stories and try to load it now. And after trying that, it might probably get loaded into your stories section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.